Good morning and welcome to Software Design. Today I want to teach you how to open a picture in Photoshop. Basically, you come to open here, you select the picture you want to work on. For instance, we have a baby picture here. Click on it, click on open. Then from this open, you see the display at this moment. Then from this layer you are seeing here, this is the background. You can see Ctrl A to copy it, then press Ctrl N for a new clipboard. Then we'll select this for this, the default clipboard for pictures. Then let's use create here. It has opened, then paste. So from here you have, it allows you to scale to any point. You don't have, it's not a smart object yet. It's when you have a box here that it's a smart object. So from here you can start removing, or click remove background here immediately using our plugin. This is this for 2025 versions of Photoshop. Let's see how it will remove background, but the background is very dirty, so we'll go over the manual process. Let's undo this process first. Then the picture is scanned. From like this. From here you can now start removing the background. Feather, click enter. It has removed that particular part. Then turn off this white space, turn off it. Then you see, let's drag in, let's move in a bit. You see now it is transparent, so you can continue to do this process and remove like this. You follow the body through in that order. Right click inside, click on feather, click enter. The backspace, you see that you remove like that continuously. You can follow up from that down to this part, remove from here, ensure that up to this point, and then you have, this is the right way to remove your own background, except for, but this is if it's a one background picture, you can just equally use the remove button and then remove it completely. Thank you. We'll see you in our next tutorial. Remember to subscribe for more.